Hi guys, I have the AmazFit GTS from Huawei. I've been eagerly waiting for this particular watch. I had ordered for it from Amazon and here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing and the initial impressions of the same. So stay tuned and let's see how this goes. This I believe is how it is sealed up, and yeah, there you go. There is the AmazFit logo. I must say that this isn't my first AmazFit watch. I have been using the AmazFit base for some time now. This is how it looks. Let's just set this aside. This is how it looks out of the box. Yeah, this particular thing is just a sticker. It comes off. You can pull it up from here. Get this thing out. Yeah, there you go. It looks quite beautiful, undoubtedly. Feels very light though. I mean, strangely, it really feels very, very light. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep this aside for now. That's what the box is. This is the other box. I mean, let me just see. Pretty neatly packed. It says move beautifully. I guess you guys can read this. Move beautifully. And yeah, you can again open it up from here. There is, I believe, the manual for it. Yeah, that's the manual. With all your instructions on it, how you can go ahead with probably setting it up. And the other thing in the package or the box is, yes, the charger. Let me just quickly open this thing up. Yeah, it's your USB charger along with this dock, which I think should just strap on when you just push it on the back side of the watch. Just a moment. I will just, yeah, I think it straps on back there. The backside, now since we are here, has the sensors, the relevant sensors. I believe that would be for your heart rate, and yeah, I think at this point of time, I think I'll have to go through the manual to understand what these different sensors are all about. Yeah, let's just try powering it on. Yeah. Let me just try and set it up till then and see and come back. Yeah, there you go. I have set it up. You can see it looks as beautiful as it's been looking on all the advertising and on the websites. Yeah, I say so because I've been trying to get my hands on this for some time now. Yes, one of the things that I would like to mention while I try to set this thing up, you are greeted with, the moment you switch it on, you are greeted with a barcode or a scan code which you need to go ahead and scan. Strangely, it kept taking me to a page which ideally should take me to the app where it should allow me to go ahead and download the app and then set the watch or pair the watch up. Strangely, the page kept saying that it cannot be reached. However, since, as I mentioned, that I have been using the AmazFit Pace, I did have the AmazFit app already installed on my phone. So yeah, I mean, I had to go there and add a new watch over there. What it did was, it did deactivate my earlier watch, that is the AmazFit Pace, and then I set this thing up over there. I've just done a basic setup right now. At this point of time, I still need to probably go ahead and do the remaining bit of the settings. Yeah, so at this point of time, I mean, as an experience, I must say, contrary to the other reviews that I've come across, that the watch does not feel very smooth. I must say that it does in fact feel pretty smooth, as you guys can see. I did not typically notice any kind of a disturbing lag or anything, I would say. Now here, I mean, you go all four sides. Typically you come down, you pull it down from top, you have your typical notification that you would once when you would be pulling anything from your mobile notification, your quick shortcuts basically. There's a button for a torch, there's an automatic, there is a display option wherein you can set the brightness. You can put it to sleep or you can lock it. You have all those options, which I think I will play around, and if possible, I'll come back with a video on that as well. If you pull it from your left, you have your heart rate monitoring, which immediately starts. I mean, the moment you pull it off, now since I am not wearing it on my wrist or I haven't touched any of my, parts which probably can just give the pulse over there. I don't think there will be any results over there. If you pull it up from down, you have all these different options: your status, your heart rate. I think you can see it now. Yeah, your status, your heart rate, your workout, all these different notifications. Typically settings. If you get into settings, you have your watch face. There are a lot of watch faces. Crazy number of watch faces, I must say, and I think you can do that by going to your AmazFit app on your phone and play around with those. So yeah, these are all your different options. Now you again go back to your home. On the left you have your steps, again your heart rate. This is what at this point of time it is available. I think you can play around, you can adjust with it. This button, however, if you press it, takes you back to your main screen. If you press it again, I mean, it goes off. I think that's for just switching it on and switching it off. Yeah, that's what that button I think does at this point of time. I don't know if it can be customized any further. Yeah, here's your weather. I mean, if you can touch any of these on the screen, it'll pull up your weather and the other options that are available. Your steps, I think. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, I'm so sorry for this thing going out of focus because I'm using my phone to probably just get this thing on. So yeah, I guess all in all, I think it feels like a very good watch. One concern though, I felt, I mean, although I'm sure the strap must be extremely durable, but somehow it doesn't feel very premium. I mean, yeah, it's good. I think it will definitely do the job. I'm sure it would be made out of a skin-friendly material. I don't think, I mean, I have used the AmazFit Pace, So I must say that I have been pretty happy with that watch as well, although it was like a first generation kind of a watch that came out of AmazFit. So this strap, strangely, it doesn't feel very premium. I mean, they definitely could have done better. It's available for, I mean, I picked it up from the sale that was going on Amazon, and it was for 9,999. That's your roughly around 10,000 rupees. So I think they could definitely have done better with the strap. But the initial impressions, I must say, it does feel very nice. Very nice. I mean, I would say that I'm very happily impressed with this. So yes guys, that's my unboxing and the initial impressions of the watch of the AmazFit GTS. So I would leave you guys with this, and let's see if you guys like it. Do like the video and possibly subscribe as well. Thank you so much.